Hi friends, this is Amrit and you are watching my YouTube channel The Smart Street. In this video, I'll be talking about Nifty, Bank Nifty and Dollar Index. How it has performed today and what are the key levels for tomorrow. But first, as you can see, I have plotted Bank Nifty and I have plotted all my indicators that I use. And as you can see, these are the pivot levels S1, S2, S3. This is pivot R1, R2, R3. These are the weekly pivots which will be for the entire week up to 26th of February. Today Bank Nifty took support at that level and closed just above that. So what are the possible levels for tomorrow? So let's convert this into daily. Okay, this is daily and I will like to plot this over here. This is my Excel sheet where I check the pivot levels for the next day. So the high for Bank Nifty today was 36,128, right? Low was 35,097 and it closed at 35,257, right? So this is the pivot. 35,494 is the pivot for tomorrow. Okay, Bank Nifty already had it is closed below that. It has closed below the lower pivot as well, and the upper pivot is at 35,612. So unless it breaks 35,612 and it closes on a 15-minute chart, one should avoid taking a long trade. So the possible support, first support for tomorrow would be 34,860. Second support would be at 34,463. If the market, if market goes up, then it will be the first resistance will be 35,891 and the next would be 36,525. Okay, so one need to look at these key levels. ISO must be at 35,612. If you want to do intraday, you need to look for this level to close above this on a 15-minute at least. Okay, now there is one more thing I would like to mention, that this is Bank Nifty, and let me convert this into daily one. Over here you can see that I have already plotted a retracement. So as you can see, the retracement, the 0.382% of the entire rally is at 34,644. So let us see where we are in terms of pivot. 34,644. Okay, so that level is below 34,860, which is support 1 for tomorrow. So most likely, if it breaks, it shouldn't, but if it breaks, it should take a support at this level. And on a positional note, I'm not looking my Bank Nifty to go below 34,644, and if it goes, then the market will turn bearish. Okay, so the next possible will be 0.5, 50% of the retracement, which is at 33,698. On a positional note, I'm still bullish on the market. So I have already mentioned about the key levels for tomorrow, and also wanted to keep eye on this, that if you see what happened today was Bank Nifty if I convert this into pivot into daily one, then you will see that Bank Nifty did close on the very first 15-minute above pivot level, but it didn't close above the Kijun-sen on 15 minutes. That you need to look for as well. It has to close above Kijun-sen. This brown line that you are looking at, it looks like a super trend, but it's a Kijun-sen. Unless it closes above this, avoid taking long trade. Okay, so these are the key levels that you need to look for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Now let's talk about Nifty. This is a chart of Nifty, and let me draw first of all the retracement. How much we have retraced. Okay, as you can see here, we have already breached 0.382%, which was at 14,730. So the next possible level for Nifty is 14,515. Okay, and let us look at the pivot levels of Nifty for tomorrow. But before we do that, let's look at the pivot levels for on a weekly basis. Okay, let me just hide this Ichimoku and the indicators so that you can understand and see. This is pivot. Let me turn it into weekly, and now you can see it has, let me turn the 15-minute. Let me change the color for that. Okay, so Nifty breached weekly support 1. The next support is around 14,566. It will be interesting to see if it holds tomorrow or not. It should, but it is a matter of fact that if it's hold or not. And now let me put all the indicators back on. So you need to keep this level in your mind, 14,566. If this breaks, let's make it a round figure, 14,500. If that breaches, then Nifty will turn negative. In short term, it is negative, but in longer term positional basis also it will turn negative. Okay, so the Kijun-sen for this one is at 14,827. Okay, and now let us see what are the pivot levels for tomorrow on Nifty. So the high for Nifty today was 15,010, low 14,635, and it closed at 14,675. So the pivot for tomorrow is 14,773. Top pivot is at 14,822, and the lower pivot is at 14,724. And unless Nifty gives closing above 14,822 on a 15-minute chart, I would not suggest to go long. Okay, so you need to watch out for this level. Don't be in a hurry. Look for this level. The key support for tomorrow would be 14,536. Okay, resistance would be at 14,911. Support 2 would be at 14,398. And resistance 2 would be at 15,148. So now look at Nifty, the resistance that I looked at. So 50% retracement is at 14,514. Also, you can see very clearly that the Kijun for Nifty at 14,514. Okay, and S1 is at 14,536. So the difference is not that much. So this is the level that I'm looking for tomorrow to hold and turn around on Nifty. Okay. So, and also you will see that weekly S2 is also at that level. So it is a very critical and very strong support, 14,500. Bank Nifty shouldn't fall below that. If it goes, then on a positional also it will turn negative. However, if you look at RSI, still at 47, so there is room for that. But I don't think that Kijun will breach that level, because earlier also, if you see on a daily basis, it took support here, it took support here. Here also it breached and took support at 50 moving average, and also here 50-day moving average is just below. 50-day moving average is at 14,344 and Kijun is at 14,515. So approximately 160 to 70 points of gap. So these are the levels that I'm not looking any further decline on Nifty or and Bank Nifty as well. We are extremely sold on a positional note. I am bullish on the market. So for tomorrow, if you are looking to take trade, then you should be looking at these key levels, particularly at 14,822. If that breaches on upward and closes above on a 15-minute chart, then you must take a long trade with a SL in the system. Okay, also on the 15-minute chart, your Kijun is at 14,827 and also top pivot is at 14,822. So this makes a very crucial level as well. Unless it closes above this Kijun, just wait for that, then go long and do take a reasonable stop loss for that. Okay, it's a matter of study. We will see how it goes tomorrow. So these are the levels for Nifty. I already discussed about the Bank Nifty. Okay, and now I will like to see how dollar index is doing. Okay, this is dollar index. Why dollar index? Because market is falling but the dollar index is not rising. If dollar index breaches, you can see that it has taken a support at the lower cloud, which is 90.0813, and if it breaches and closes below, it is more likely to go down. And if dollar index is, our market is going down and dollar index is not going up, so this correlation is not proving for the market to be bearish on the market. Okay, so unless dollar index goes up, or even if I look at the on hourly basis, let's look what it's doing, and it's already below cloud, below 1 hour of Kijun. This is the Kijun and Tenkan-sen over here, you can see, and there is a bearish crossover, which is we call it in a technical term kiss of death, when 50 moving average crosses 200 moving average, that we do on a daily basis. Here we look on a shorter term, on an hourly basis. So on a positional note, we are not bearish as of now. We'll see how market goes for tomorrow. So if there is any question, please do ask. I will wrap it up over here. And please do like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any questions regarding any stocks, then please do comment on my section below. And for now, take care, have a good day, have a good trade tomorrow. Take care, bye. Thank you.